Welcome to myOnvent. I am your AI avatar, ready to showcase the key features and functionalities of myOnvent. Discover the ultimate solution for effortlessly managing and hosting your online and hybrid events. We prepared a collection of video tutorials that will guide you through the main steps of hosting your event. If you need more in-depth knowledge about specific features, our comprehensive PDF tutorials have got you covered. We have built myOnvent to be the most flexible, easy-to-use event platform you will ever use. It is your go-to tool for hosting online conferences and summits, hybrid events, membership hubs, fairs, expos, and many more. As a confirmed myOnvent organizer, start by logging into your myOnvent account to get access to the organizer dashboard. This control panel will be your go-to place for fully setting up and managing your event. Set up your event's public homepage, add the core event details, a description, choose the primary colors and branding, add the event program and speakers, and customize your registration form. Brand your lobby, an area for your attendees to network. Create auditoriums for your content to be streamed. Adjust the exhibitor hall, where your event partners, sponsors, exhibitors, or authors can create a booth. Furthermore, we will cover a few crucial aspects of setting up your event. For your event to become public, you will have to publish it. Please note that there will be no option to make changes to the type of your exhibitor booths and disable the paid event option after publishing the event. So, make sure these settings are correct. Exhibit hall settings can be managed under Setup. Navigate to the event settings from the left side menu. Choose the type of exhibitor booths for your event. Scroll down to find Participant Payment and Access. The paid event option will enable payment with an integrated Stripe payment method. All other aspects of your event can be edited before, during or after the event, but we do recommend exploring our more in-depth tutorials.
Thank you for your attention. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to create engaging and memorable events. We invite you to check out our further video tutorials or in-depth PDF documentation. For any further questions, please get in touch with us via email at contact@myonvent.com.